Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a eye tutorial, just like an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. It's gonna be super fast and easy. I use my Alamar cosmetic Reina Del Caribe palette. I received this palette on my Boxycharm a couple of months ago, so I decided to do this tutorial to show you guys how I created this look. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have Boxycharm. What do you think about it? Do you have this palette, or did you just buy it off of her website? Now, if you are new to my channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe and bell notification button so I can keep you up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials that I do on my channel. That way I can make sure that I can keep your face beat all year long. And that was it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm so in love with this palette. I'm gonna be using it a lot now. Let me know down below in the comment section if you like this video, and also if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because I would love to see you come back, and I will just see you guys on my next video.